How to fix the Snapchat My Eyes Only not loading on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with My Eyes Only section not loading on Android, first of all, check for your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable one. Then after, close all the background application and restart Snapchat. Now, if you head back to the feature, it should probably work. However, if it does not, head over to your home page and long press the Snapchat. Go to App Info and then go to Storage and Cache. Then after, clear the cache and then ensure your phone's storage. Make sure your phone has enough storage space for the photos. If not, make sure to delete useless and unnecessary applications or files. Also, make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. In order to do so, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat and tap on the update button if it's available. However, if it is not loading even after updating the app, you might have to contact the support for Snapchat regarding the issue. Make sure you add a screenshot on the email while complaining. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.